Hello everyone, I'm Little K. Today we will talk about this stage. How to hang the lamp. First we open the software. We connected to MA2. I'm going to adjust this stage too. It's about the same size as our stage. What about this stage? Is 50 meters. This is 30 meters. So we had to go into MA2 to modulate this stage. Let's click View. Select this window. The stage in the point. Set its x-axis to 50. Y is 30. Make it bigger. Okay, at this time, I can turn it off. What about after closing? We open this software. First we see, on this stage, this 330 lamp is placed on the ground. Let's do some marshalling first. If there is no marshalling, you can't put it on. So we learn to use marshalling. With marshalling, we can be faster and more convenient. Then let's create some marshalling. Before the creation of the group, I have done some small memorization lessons. Because I made this one. So I know this number of this light fixture. In order to see the lights come on, first we open the main page. Highlight a state. When you select this light fixture, what is the highlight state set in the light library? That's what it looks like. Then the brightness of these lamps is considered to be full. There is no need to consecrate. Select the light base to determine it will light up. Okay. First we see these lights on the ground. Come one by one. This is a group. This is a group. For example, symmetrical. Here is a set of lights. Here is a set of lights. Just put the two sides together. Put it side by side, etc. will be very convenient to use. First, the lights from 1 to 112 are determined. We choose 1 to 112. Make sure to press the save key. The first one. What is the first one? The first is the Arcos window. So, this is not a lamp. Okay. We choose the second set of lights. 30 to 34. Let's click to be sure first. You see, the 5 lights came on. I save it here. And then, another 45 to 49. Press OK. You see, the lights here will also turn on. To click save here. Just 2 groups. The 2 formations are side by side. It will be convenient to use at that time. Then next, 35 to 39. Decide to save. 40 to 44. OK to press save. 60 to 64 certain. Also a group. Save. 65 to 69 certain. Save. This should be this way, that's right. I made this window a little smaller. That way I don't have to drag around. This is a little more convenient. And then, now it's this 330. Has been done. The earth has been ready. Side group. Then we have to do it. It may be heavenly or this place. Just now it was 70 to 75. Okay, a large group behind. A whole group. Then there is only one in the whole group. 50 to 54. This is heavenly. 55 to 59. Okay, this is also heavenly. Okay, side by side. 345 to 349. This is on the beam here. (345 to 349). 350 to 354. That's the other side. Merge with it. Set it aside. And then 340 to 3. Oh, wrong. 340 to 344. Okay. This is on the side. 355 to 359. Okay, on this side. The light transmission lamp of the basic 330. We have already made all the marshalling. Then let's do the second one. We will start with this line. For your own convenience. This formation doesn't matter. You don't need it then. You delete it again. It doesn't matter where you stand. Now we are at 1200. 110. 10 to 112 certain. This is the preservation here. The first one. 131 to 133 determine. The other side pressed to save here. 113 to 118. I move faster, otherwise, there won't be enough time to wait. 125 to 130 certain. 119 to 124. 134 to 135. Because of this Viswag lamp, I matched it, so I know the order of it, so I made it. All of this can be done in advance. Okay, this is 120. Let's turn it over now. Turn here. We are now 140 to 151 to determine. What kind of lamp is this? 140 to 151. 14,016,151. Cancel highlighting. Okay, again. We also put the color on it. Beam is on. This should be this LED lamp. Let's go to the entity and take a look. Press the consecration. A light library may have a light library. There may be a problem. One is not open. This one is not open. I'll change it a little now. Otherwise, it will affect my work. LED 864. Edit modifications. Here it is changed to 100. Close. Select it again. 140. 16,151. Okay, lit up. Continue to group. I still have to go under the wireframe. It will be convenient under the wireframe. Watch to save. Wrong press. Step back. Learning is useful. Step back a little more. Step back a little more. 14,016,151. Sure, save here. We continue to click on the highlight to cancel 15,216,163. Okay. The other side is of course symmetrical. We put it symmetrically. Then clear 164 to 175. Determine. Of the lower half. We can put it here. 176 to 187. Okay, save here. Okay, this climbing lamp is over. Then to 80 to 85. Let's take a look. Which one is 80 to 85? This 20. 20 group I. Save here. 92 to 97. Okay. This is another group. We save on the opposite side next to it. 86 to 91. Confirm preservation. This one is separate. The middle row. Neither below. So just a separate group. 98 to 103. Certain. The bottom is the save edge group. 104 to 109. Determine preservation. Turn it over. 190. Determine. 190 to 214. Certified. This pixel light. 215 to 239. Certified. Save. 240 to 246. Determine. This is the upper part of the middle. 255 to 205. It is the following part. Clear. 247 to 249. It is on the right. Then I'll put it on the right. 25. 82. 256. Left. Then I'll put it on the left. 260 to 279. Okay, this one is 4 eyes. Save a set of 4 eyes. 280 to 299. Determine another set of 4 eyes. 300 to 305. Determine the upper group. 314 to 310 must be the lower group. 306. 309. Determine the group on the right. There must be 318 to 315 on the left. Okay, the group on the left. Basically, all the lights in this stage are arranged. We're all done. After it is done, let's go back to the official diagram. Let's look at this lamp. We started hanging the lights. Hang the lamp. Okay, let's click under this window. Under this window, we put this lamp. Zoom in on this a little bit. I'm on this stage. What do I need? I need a camera slot. So I'm going to make it smaller. Release 1. The camera inside the shop. Inside the camera, I only use one heel and the last 3, so I'm going to delete it. These are superfluous. Delete the superfluous. Press and hold the delete key. Click on it. Scroll down. Then the last 3 remain. I want to use it. I want to move it. Then see this. Move camera position. 112 11 to 10. I'll push it up. Put it here. And then, press the save button. Press the save button. What are you doing? Update this view. To be sure, in this case, you will keep this camera in it. Now what about our front view? We need to select the first group. Proceeded. Put this lamp. Select the first grouping. After the first group is selected, we click on this setting. After clicking on the settings, a toolbar will appear here. Inside this toolbar, there are many tools. There are 2 pages that can be switched. First page. Right. This is the stage. This is the object. Then this one is single. This is marshal. This is divergence. For modes. This is what you can say as a guide. There are some tools inside. Let me talk about them one by one. First of all, this lamp. It is on Earth. On Earth. So its height should be 0 meters. X is the level. Y is before and after. You can think of it this way. Z is up and down. Then our Z should be 0 meters. 0 meters. 0 meters. And then, I want to diverge. Turn its x-axis. It is the x-axis that diverges it. Then I diverge to the right. This is divergent. Divergence 5 meters. After 5 meters, this lamp, the lamp head is facing down. I'll lift it up a little first. Let me take a look. I diverge to the left. It should still diverge to the right. Okay, I need to be clear. I need to select this light. The order of the lights. Then put it small. At this time, I use the highlight key inside. Use this key to select the light. Next. What does that mean? I did the opposite. What if I do the opposite? I shouldn't have diverged to the right just now. It should diverge inward by 5 meters. Then just move to the left. Okay, for example, let's say I did something wrong. I also chose this set of lights. Then I'll clear it first. I chose this set of lights. I click this to remove. Instead of removing. Wrong. This is the reset position. Reset the position. At this time, I will diverge again. At this time, I diverge this way. I turn. 5 meters. 5 meters. Don't do more. Just 5 meters. After 5 meters, cancel this divergence. Then pan. Pan over. Translation to the 0 degree. How many meters should it be? We are the whole 50 meters. 50 meters is not right. 50 meters. Let's look at it from the top. See if you have reached the top. You see the top. 50 meters. The middle is 0. This side is exactly 50. Then this side is minus 50. So 50 meters is right. 50 meters. I'm going to move this way. 13 meters. 13 meters. Come over 13 meters. How much is 25 13? Okay. 12. Sorry, I really don't do good math. Okay, placed in this place. Placed in this place. It might be just right. On this side of our stage. Okay, we select another set of lights. Same. We still diverge a little. Its location is already above. We can reset it. After the reset, the point diverges. Point divergence we should be like. Divergence like this. I'll give it a try. I lifted it up a little. The direction is a bit confusing. Let's click on this. Next. 1 2 3. That's right, that's right. This sense of direction is not good. Okay. You see that our side is 12.0 points minus 7. It's actually very simple. Let's clear it out. We choose. Select this group. 12 is fine. It should be done. Let's take a look from the top of the stage. It shouldn't be positive 12. It should be 7. 7. 72. This is the center point on both sides. What about now? The lamp head is facing down. This is okay. This is being changed later. We clear a quick little crafting. This one. What about this set of lights? Which set of lights is it? This set of lights is the inner set of lights. A set of lights inside. The set of lights inside is also 5 meters. Sprinkle 5 meters on both sides. That's 2.5. 2.5 good. 2.5. 2.5. I want to choose these two groups. I forgot to move it in this front and back position. The front and rear positions should be 14 meters. 25. 14 meters is 11 meters left. This should be the most from. Let's say we look at it from the top. We look at it from the top. We put it. Wrong. This is the top. We move it to the front. 30 meters. 30 meters distance. 30 meters. If we are going to move forward. 14 meters, right? 14 meters. Let's move forward. That should be minus 1 meter. That's right. It should be here. Okay, no problem. Okay, the second set of lights we chose. The second set of lights should be on it. This should. We can take a look at it from here. From here we take a look at it from this view. Oh, I made a mistake. This. Move this way. Step back. Clear it up. This should be on the sidelines. This should be to 16. 16.5 meters. If you push back 16.5, it is necessary to advance 1.5 meters. Then select the set of lights on the left. Move to the side. At this time, we can watch from the top chart whether to get closer. Okay, come closer. 21 integers. 24.5 bar. This one is the same. We turn around. Move faster. 24.5. Look at it from the positive. Then we chose this group again. This group is 14 meters. 14 meters should be 1 meter forward. After 1 meter forward, this distance of it is 14 meters. That's still 12 meters. Then we choose this one. We diverge. Divergence dash 2.5. 2.5 is 5 meters. Then this one should be 0 meters. The height is 0 meters. Then go to step back. Cancel this divergence. We move this. We are going to move 1 meter. This one moves forward 1 meter. Me. It's 12. Okay, this 12. We look at it from the top. One in front and one behind. One in front and one behind. Right. Okay, we move on to the next set. The next group is this. This is inside. Inside. Let's order first. Setting. We put all of this. Clear it up. This group. 2.5. This group. 2.5. We choose this group. This group should be inward. How many meters are in it? 18 meters inside. 18 meters. 30 meters. The middle is 15 meters. Push back 3 meters. Push back 3 meters. Okay. You have to go left. This makes sense. We look at it from the top. View from the top. 24.5. And then, to move inward, 18 meters. Go you. 24.518. 24.518 is 6.5. 6.5. Okay, 6.5. And then another. We retreated. 6.5 is too crowded. We're going to give a little more. Then I'll give it to you depending on the situation. Because we make this. It's different from the stage. It doesn't matter how much it is different. Our main purpose is to. Next is our layout diagram. Our layout diagram. Okay, these are two groups. Due to time constraints, our course is divided into 2 video stages. Okay. Thank you. The next section will continue to improve this.